Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the update engine. Press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and hit Enter. That opens Services immediately. Scroll to Windows Update because this service controls automatic downloads. Right-click, choose Stop so updates pause now, then open Properties and change Startup Type to Disabled to prevent restart. Once done, make sure you have admin rights. If prompted, confirm UAC. This prevents the service from auto-starting, and it's the first practical step to fully disable Windows Update on an HP laptop. Once the service is disabled, you must silence scheduled triggers. Press Windows plus R, run tasks. MSC to open Task Scheduler. Navigate to Microsoft, then Windows, and find Update Orchestrator plus Update Assistant folders. HP and Microsoft can create multiple tasks. For each task that can trigger updates, right-click and disable. If Disable is blocked, edit triggers and set to manual or remove network conditions. Make sure to check for HP-specific update tasks and disable those too, because OEM schedulers often restart update behavior automatically. To finish, lock down system policies so updates stay off. Run gpedit. MSC, go to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Windows Update. Set Configure Automatic Updates to Disabled or choose Notify for download so you control installs. Once applied, run gpupdate/force to commit changes. If updates still slip through, as a last resort edit C, /Windows/System 32/drivers /etc /hosts to redirect known update endpoints to 127. 0. 0. 1. Restart and verify. Troubleshooting tip. If updates re-enable, check HP Support Assistant and redisable its scheduler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.